when starting out in your business, sometimes it can be difficult getting your name out there and trying to get people to rely or put their money and invest in what you have to offer. Workshops are an amazing way to show that you have the skills needed to provide maybe quality products or services, but also you have something to give. I found in my business in the early days, some people might not want to buy products or say they're too expensive or be interested, but they were interested in learning the skills used to make the products. And I found finding a whole new customer base and community through providing workshops. When I was in the Whitworth shop, I used to do workshops in print, embroidery, and natural dyeing. And through that, I was able to meet a lot of people that I could share about my business that normally wouldn't have, maybe clicked on a post or gone on the website or engaged in other ways. I also found that workshops were a really good way of other organizations gaining trust in what I had to offer. So when they saw that I was able to teach, able to deliver, and make fun, amazing stuff in workshops, it was when people saw me and took me seriously as a professional. So not only just having a fun time or just, making with people, which is amazing, workshops are a really good way to build rapport and respect when you're starting out.